Good afternoon, Honorable Judge, respected Madam, teachers, supervisors and all my dear friends. I am from 5th C. My name is Sarma Tanmay. Today in SS exhibition, I and my team is going to represent models and charts on the topic explain soon. But before talking about main points, we shall talk about some common things which will let you know about the main topic better, which is factors affecting the weather. For that, I would like to call Ghazi Nayan and he is going to speak latitude.
First, let us talk about latitude. It shows how much a place far from equator and what is equator. That we will see afterwards. Now I will call Sharma Tanmay.
Did you know that there are total 181 latitudes on the Earth's surface and the largest latitude is equator at 0 degree, which divides the Earth equally in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. There are also some other latitudes like Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. But have you ever wondered what are latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary line which runs from east to west on the Earth's surface. Now I would like to call Sheikh Aisa and she is going to speak on it.
Altitude means how much a place is above from the land. For example, the higher we go, the cooler it becomes. This is called altitude. In the chart you can see vertical altitude. The top part is covered with the snow, then the air called thunder, then middle leaf, then the deciduous rainforest and tropical rainforest. In everywhere you can see different climates and different ways of lifestyle. Now I would like to call Udaya Dhanesh and she is going to speak distance from the sea. Now I am talking about distance of the sea place. Near to the sea, weather neither cold neither hot because sea is land breeze and sea breeze. Now I have to call Mijat. Humidity is the amount of moisture or water super present in the air. I like to call humidity. Now I will describe about types of zones. There are three types of zones. First is torrid zone, second is temperate zone, and third is frigid zone. I would like to call Narayan. Torrid zone is between in temperate zone. It is located from equator at 0 degree, in Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree, in North Pole and Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degree. Now I will call Udaya Danishka. It receives sunlight throughout the year between the summer and the winter, like crops, rice, coffee, coconut and cocoa. Now I have to call Tanmay Sharma.
The torrid zone contains countries like Bolivia, Brazil, Mexico, Malaysia. And here you can see some plant life in torrid zone. And this plant is known as the most rarest plant on the earth, which is located in torrid zone. And now I will show you some clothes in torrid zone. This lifestyle in torrid zone. In torrid zone, people mostly used to wear light clothes with the design related to the plants, which is called tropical design or botanical design. Now I would like to call Sheikh Aisa and she is going to speak where temperate zone is located and many more.
Temperate zone is divided into two depending on its location. North Pole, it lies between Tropic of Cancer 23.5 to Tropic and Arctic Circle 66.5. While South Pole lies between Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 to Antarctica Circle 66.5. Now I would like to call Sharma Tanmay.
The temperate zone contains countries like China, Japan, New Zealand, Canada, etc. And the temperate zone receives landing rays of the sun, due to which the climate is moderate in this zone. It is the most habitable zone for all the living beings on the earth, and it holds 26 to 40% area of the earth contains 20 to 30% population of the earth. And in this zone, it is completely covered with the trees, grass, bushes, etc. And this zone, the forest region contains 6.9 million areas, the forest covered in this zone. Also, it is 22% of the entire world area, means forest area, means only the temperate zone contains 22% forest area. Now I would like to call Divya Prajapati, and she is going to speak about more about temperate zone.
Now I will. These zones release slightly slanting rays of the sun and are comparatively cooler than the place lying in the torrid zone. Now would I like to call Sheikh Aisha from 5th C. Longer day in summer and longer night in winter. Now I would like to call Sharma Tanmay.
Now let us talk about frigid zone. This zone is located from Arctic Circle to North Pole, means Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north to North Pole at 90 degree north, while the South frigid zone lies from Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south to South Pole 90 degree south. It is the coldest zone on the Earth's surface because it rarely receives the sunlight from the sun. During winter, places near the Arctic Circle have daylight for 6 months, and during winter they have darkness for another 6 months. This phenomenon is caused by the tilted axis of the Earth. But do you know how was the tilted axis of the Earth was formed? And when it was formed many years ago, when the early Earth collided with a Mars-sized planet named Theia, its impact was such massive that due to it, the Earth's straight axis was knocked and was tilted. Since that time, the Earth is experiencing the tilted axis. The life in frigid zone is very difficult, and most of the ground is covered with the snow. That's why the frigid zone holds 0.05% population of the Earth, and it holds 4.12% to 8.24% area of the Earth. In conclusion, Earth is divided into 3 main temperature zones: the torrid zone, temperate zones, and frigid zones, which receive different amount of sunlight due to the Earth's curved shape. The torrid zone near the equator receives direct sunlight all the year, so it is hot all the year, while frigid zone near the poles hardly receives the sunlight, that's why it is cold all the year, while temperate zone, which is in between, has moderate climate with changing seasons. Understanding season explains why the life is different across the globe. Thank you and have a nice day.